Come with me as I try to take beautiful pictures from aerial shots that might change the way real estate ads are done. Real estate aerial photography is changing the way we show off homes by giving possible buyers a view from above that they have never had before. This new technology has changed the game because it lets us catch stunning views, show off a property's best features, and give information about the area. Traditional real estate photography isn't always good enough. Static, ground-level pictures don't always show what a place can really do. All of us have looked through listings only to be let down by photos that don't do the property credit. Because there aren't many views, it can be hard for buyers to fully understand the layout, size, and surroundings of the property. Also, old-fashioned photography can make homes look smaller or less amazing than they really are. Traditional photography has a lot of flaws that become clear when you look at big properties or ones with special features. Only showing shots from the ground level makes it hard to show how big and grand a farm or property with lots of grounds is. Traditional photography also tends to focus on the land itself, ignoring the community and neighborhood around it. This can make buyers wonder about the neighborhood's personality, services, and general quality of life. Aerial photography gets around these problems and gives a more complete and interesting picture of the land. By taking beautiful aerial pictures, real estate agents can show off the plan, size, and surroundings of the property in a way that is both visually appealing and useful. We can also show off a home's best features with aerial photography, like a private pool or a beautiful garden. A recent success story is a great example of how overhead photography has changed things. Even though it had great features and beautiful design, a luxury estate in a great location was having a hard time selling. The real estate agent chose a different method and used aerial photography as part of the marketing plan. The results were amazing. The listing for the house caused a lot of interest, and people who wanted to buy it screamed for more information. The overhead photos gave a new view of the property, showing off its large grounds, private pool, and stunning views. Aerial photos made buyers much more interested, and the house sold for a higher price in the end. This success story shows how powerful aerial photography can be in real estate marketing, showing how it can get buyers' attention and get results. Aerial photography can help real estate agents set their listings apart and draw serious buyers by making the experience more immersive and interesting. As a conclusion, aerial photography is changing the way we sell real estate, make properties more visible, and show them off. This is a new way of doing things that is working really well, and I really think you should look into it. Share your ideas on real estate aerial photography in the comments below.